Okay, a quick video on the difference between adding and subtracting fractions, or adding and multiplying fractions. Multiplying fractions is easy. So on the left side here, we see two fractions multiplied by each other, and all that means is you multiply the top by the top, one fraction, and the bottom by the bottom. And anytime you have fractions multiply, it's as easy as that. Top by the top, bottom by the bottom. And now it's all one fraction, there's no more addition, we can cancel that nicely. There's one, still a 1 on top, 1 over sine x. Okay, that's multiplication, that shouldn't be too hard. Now addition, we want to add these two on the right, but we see they don't have the same denominator. So we can't just add them, we have to create a common denominator. So we create a common denominator by multiplying each fraction by, well, basically the other denominator, because that will give it a common denominator. So the left side, I'll multiply it by sine x over sine x. That's times 1 over cosine x. And that's plus. To the right side, I'll multiply by cosine x over cosine x. So I was multiplied by a fraction that's the same thing over itself, or it's one thing over itself, because that's 1. And that gives me a common denominator. So if I make this all one fraction, this bit comes down, or this bit becomes because again I'm multiplying a fraction by a fraction, so it's just sine x times 1 over sine x times cosine x, and the right bit is cosine x times cosine x, which is cosine squared x, over the same thing, sine x times cosine x. So now I have this common denominator, it's the same denominator. So now adding them together is easy. We make it all one fraction, so it goes over the same denominator. Now it's all over sine x, cosine x. And on top we have sine x plus cosine squared x. And this is just a question I made up, so there's no actual way of simplifying that. But yes, okay, so the difference between adding fractions, multiplying fractions. Very important.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.